So checking out the decor at Azan's today. Cold heart, hardened by you. Think it's gonna be a long, long time. What can I do for you? And I know, and I know, and I know. More than I'm worth, yeah. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and welcome to Nellamas. You know, it's been a while, so how you doing? Christmas a come, me want me lama. 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 That's a hit on it. Anyways. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I'm driving. Today is Saturday, December 7th. It's a rainy day in Kingston City, New York City. Oh my god. Anyway, so today we are ricotta. That's how the roads are acting right now. But yeah, so today we're going to be doing, you know, there's a little Christmas video. This is Nellamas video. You know, you guys are used to me doing more videos, but I don't know. So Nellamas video edition, special edition. You know, like when you used to watch those shows on like TV, Disney, Nickelodeon, and they would have, or whatever, and they would have a Christmas special. This is my Nellamas special. Okay. So normally I do more videos for Nellamas. I do at least 3 videos a week or 4 if I can, but times have been tough, right? In terms of time, like the amount of time, energy, I just really have not had it lately. So I'm trying to be better for the new year, because I have been abandoning y'all for 2024. I'm gonna be honest, I was not a good poster in 2024. I was terrible at it actually, and therefore I'm gonna do better. But for now, Christmas a come, me want me llama. Christmas a come, me want me llama. The hat for me head, me want me llama. Christmas a come, me want me llama. Is llama, like, you know, as you get older you realize that you're singing a lot of songs that you didn't know the words for, but you know, I think it was llama. What do you know, if you know something different? Anyways, so today I'm actually heading to work, because that's part of the problem. I've been working like every weekend for the last couple of weeks, and even if I have a day off, if I work Saturday and sometimes I work Saturday and Sunday, sometimes I may work only Saturday or Sunday, but either way I'm tired, because that's like 7 days a week. And this is not to blame anybody, because sometimes I take on these duties, most times I take on these extra duties and stuff, trying to earn my little keep, but now it's, you know, beginning to wear. So today I'm heading to the hospital. I have work. I'm doing a triage duty, which is like a 12-hour shift, as well as during the time I'm going to use the opportunity to fix up my resident room, because right now we have our annual little thing where we do 12 days of Christmas, the residents and myself, including the senior registrars in medicine, or in Jamaica in medicine, are people who have finished their degrees and they have had, you know, they passed it and they can become a consultant, but consultancy is a post. So if they work privately, they'll be considered a consultant, but within the hospital system, a consultant position is a post that you are given after, you know, it's a promotion, it's a post. So if there's no post, or a post cannot be created for you because you did a certain specialty, because sometimes they do create posts. For example, if you do a specialty within a subspecialty within the area that you're specialized in, and that area does not actually have that subspecialty already, then they want to bring it to the hospital, then the hospital could create the post for you. But otherwise, posts are given when another consultant retires or leaves the job for whatever reason, or, you know, the third option is, unfortunately, you know, is goes to meet their maker. Those are the three reasons why posts are given. So usually you have to have a post in order to be considered a consultant. Until then, you're considered a senior registrar, which means that you're post DM. So for us, we do the 12 days of Christmas, and it includes up to the senior registrar, which is basically the JMDA body. And we try to do how it is that you're paired with another resident, and for each day, the person, whoever you're paired with, you guys come up with a cute little way to celebrate Christmas. So you give out treats, and you also provide drinks. So you do, someone does food, someone does drinks, and, you know, just to kind of lift the mood, because, you know, it's rough. You're already working in healthcare during the Christmas, it's rough. And this, if you don't know, in obstetrics, I do OBGYN. In obstetrics, this is called peak season, and the peak has been peaking. My peak has been peaking. So anyways, I'm on duty today, and so the person who I'm paired with is also on duty today. So we're going to use the opportunity to kind of start beginning our decor of the room, because you don't have to decorate the room, but I'm actually like that, and she's actually like that. So we're both going to decorate the room so that we can, you know, titivate and bring a little Christmas spirit and a Christmas cheer. And, you know, it's nothing new. People know us to be extra like that around Christmas, because we're Christmas people. We love Christmas. So I have my little bag of things, one bag of ting. So what we're trying to do is, like, when we have downtime, we're going to try and just decorate the place to kind of titivate and make things look a little bit better. So I've been patrolling the stores, the Christmas stores, you know, the stores that normally sell Christmas stuff, since like October. Not lie, I've been going to Azan's, All That Matters, Fontana, Woolworth, as well as going online and picking up some stuff from Shein and Amazon. So I've been doing that since like October, and so has she. We've been ready. Okay, so we're gonna decorate the room, and our theme, well, the theme that I came up with was to do a cozy Christmas cafe. So we're gonna try and see if we can change the room and transform the room from, you take this and turn into a princess, aka, you know, Princess Diaries. If you didn't get the quotes, I know y'all, some of y'all young and don't know these things, but yeah, trying to turn it into a princess. So that's the theme, cozy Christmas cafe, and see if we can, you know, get the vibe ready. If the vibe is right, so you can tell me how you do. I'm going to show you the before of the room, and then I'll show you the after. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. That's my Nella things. And so yeah, I'm going to try and do like at least 3 videos. I usually do 3 videos a week. I'm going to try to do 3 videos for the month, which right now for me is a lot, because I haven't even been doing a video a month. I'll be doing like a video every 2 months or so. So 3 videos a month, and yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's see what we can do. Yes. Oh, and so I'll show you guys my great little bag of everything. So I'm gonna turn this camera. So as you can see, like, my little bag is ready. We ready. My great big bag of everything. We have this, we have just a bag of things. I'll probably show you guys when I'm in the room and I'm like unbagging stuff, like what exactly that I have. You come in, you don't have a ring that says December. Screenshot. You bend right over. Bend right over. If you name end with a A, bend right over. Bend right over. Bend right over. Supposed to be recording. So these are some of the stuff that we got. Some of the wall hangings, some stockings. Stockings are from Amazon's. Mini trees, posters, door hangings, little signs. Where's the bottom for this one? Things like that. Yeah, great big bag of everything. These are some of my phases. This is where I reached so far, you know. The beginning. I need to do all of the cupboards like this. This is the beginning. I need to try to do all the cupboards like so this is also part of what we're doing. We're not just decor, we're making snacks for our Christmas shindig. Y'all see part 1 of decor, but we're not finished yet. We have to finish part 2. And we're making cupcakes as the food, as well as, let me pause, as well as hot chocolate. So we're making cupcakes and hot chocolate bombs. We got these from Price Smart, as well as the, what are those things called? Marshmallows from Price Smart, candy canes. So yeah, we're doing a whole thing. We have the candy cane Lee hot cocoa bars. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. As you can see, we have decorated and upgraded our single residence room. We added bowls to our cabinets. Stockings, feel free to stuff them with money, cash. We accept everything. And thank you. As you see, our menu list, what we offer here. So we offer hot cocoa in the flavors Merry Mint, which is milk chocolate with peppermint, white Christmas, and divine dark. We have desserts. We have old fudge double chocolate muffins, berry blitz, cranberry muffins, and sugar and spice apple cinnamon muffins. We also have some tasty bites. We have some tasty takeover turkey subs, our bite of glazed chicken croissant, and our feast fiesta breakfast burritos. And as you can see, they are gracefully and tastefully displayed.
Christ the Savior is born. Christ the Savior is born.
A festive all year round. Just come and sit in our comfy cushions, chairs, enjoy the Christmas spirit, or you can see our door next door. Don't forget to stop by. start.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
So they decided to help us. Here I am.
You send me the video.
Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.